my word. Hello and welcome to the channel. Did I play that? This is something of a nostalgic look back at the games that I used to play on my ZX Spectrum and my Amiga. The odd console game, I was not really a console player. And then on to early PC games and then more modern games. However, this is a nostalgic look, so I will be mainly looking at Spectrum games, Amiga games, and very early PC games. These are the games that really grabbed me, inspired me to keep playing. Now, I was never much of a platformer, although the first game here is going to be a platform game, a Spectrum platform game. It's one of the earliest games on the Spectrum that I ever played. But in general, I was not a fan of platform games. My choice of game, which may not really be suitable for a YouTube channel, but the sort of games that what I did one day impacted my gaming the next day. So strategy games, dungeon crawlers, those sorts of things where the game would itself last for days or weeks or months. And whatever I did 2 weeks ago is having an impact on the game today. So they're my favourite sorts of games, although I did play some platformers and some sports games, those sorts of things. Any game where you have to do a precision jump, I don't find that gaming fun in any way whatsoever. I can already feel the frustration from hours of trying to jump over a platform X or onto a lift, jumping over lava or spike pit. God, just hate it. That's not gaming. Which is unfortunate because I'm pretty sure that in this first game, some sort of lift of doom. So what game is it? It's Chuckie Egg. Oh my word. Okay. I have very fond memories of some of these games. I have a list of games that I've chosen. Now, some of them I have already opened just to make sure that they work before recording, but I haven't played. Some I have literally opened up the first level. Now, I have opened this up previously because I needed just to check it out. And I do have to redefine the keys to start with, I think. I don't have to, but I will do that. And the game does run, and it runs fine. Beyond really the first screen, make sure everything worked, I don't know. So here we go. I've got an eye for instructions. I don't. Let's look at the instructions. Let's do that. I. Objective: to collect eggs from the hen house. Key types 1 and 2 are preset and cannot be changed. 2W90. 2W90. Wow. Have a look at your own keyboards if you've got one in front of you. 2 and W for up and down. To the left hand, 2W. 90 left and right. And then Z or M to jump. That's right. I had forgotten that loads of these games had your hand on each side of the keyboard. Now, we're used to doing all of this stuff with one hand now. We're used to WASD, moving with just one hand. But having to coordinate with your left hand and right hand to move up and down, wow. See, that was a different era entirely. Or you could do Q, A, for up and down, and O and P. M or 1? Wow! Oh god, that looks awful. Anyway, I'm going to redefine the keys to W. Oh, well, should I? Yeah. Okay. So let's do this. Let's try it with this 2W90M. Okay, let's do it. 2W90 and M or Z. Okay, let's do that. S to start. Let's just make sure this works. Just me. I'm just playing. 2W90. Hello. and M is jump. Up and down. Okay. So I've got to get all the eggs. I think you collected the bird food. Oh god. Oh no, whoa. I think, does it give you extra points? The bird seed, it does, but the birds will eat it, I think. Oh god, no, how do I get off? How do I get off? Oh! M. Oh, I'm not sure if... Oh, no. Let's get up high. I'm not sure if I like it. Oh, no. No. Let's not jump. Let's jump. Jump. There's jump. All right. Success. Okay. Do I like these keys? I mean, it feels really weird. Should have gone that way first. Up. No. Is he going to go all the way down? Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, no. Okay. Let's get up high. You going down? Down here? No. Let's get these high ones first. He sounds like he's got a terrible problem. No, how do I get off the ladder? Get the birdseed first, score points. I think the eggs are just what you need. There we go. Level 3. How many levels are there? I don't think there's many. Is it 10? 10 levels? Oh no. No. There it is. Oh my word. I think this is the point of frustration. So does it come back soon as it goes off the top? Does it come on the bottom? Let's get these ones first. No. Oh, no. Oh. They're not evenly spaced. Oh. Ah. Let's get up high. Let's get up. Oh, no. How do I get off? Down. Oh, I have to concentrate on the keys as well. Let's get the high stuff first. Can I jump off there to the screen? No. Oh, I can bounce off it. Look at those. That one. Well, you can't move while falling. Can I? Ooh. Oh, look at the colour there. So it's flipping. I can't remember what it's called. So you can only have certain, like, one colour in chunks, in certain size blocks at one time. So where the colours overlap, it toggles between them, even when it's close. So it's quite a big region that can only have single colours. I mean, one didn't. Oh, I forgot what the keys are. 2W, 9 and 0. If I move my hands. So I've got a bit of a cold. So I probably shouldn't do this today. Or it's hay fever, I think is what it is. Yeah, so it stands out a lot today. The problem with the programming must have been pretty immense. Oh, there's a timer. Look, there's a bonus. This time is going down. There is a time limit. Oh my god. How do I get in there? Down the ladder? Can I jump off the ladder? I can. Ah! No. Yeah. Does the time just carry on where I left off? No, I get more time. I lost the. Oh, gotta go over. Oh, this brings back sort of childhood trauma. I mean, low level. I mean, I shouldn't really say that. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I can go up. Oh, no, 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 no. I fell through the lift. Oh. Unforgiving. Come on, come on. I need to get up there. Oh. So what's happened is I've wound myself up about these lifts. Surely it's easy. We can do this. Let's just hop off there. Now, let's go gently up there. Can I? Promise? No. Can I jump and walk in? No, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, 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 come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No more lifts, no more lifts, no more lifts. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Go solid. Oh. Now, I can't remember if you have to, if you're rescuing the bird in the cage. Is that the point? Got the keys again. No. Do not take hands away from the keys. I can get this. Oh no, another lift. I can reach it. Oh, come on. Come on there, my friend. Right, so... No, you go up, go up, up. Go up. Up. Come on, up you go. Up. Please go up. Oh, that looks like a pain in the ass to get. No. Oh. What's a jump? No! Let's go. Is that my last life? Or have I got one more? Is that it? Okay. Right, I can't just walk sideways off the ladder. I have to be. No, I've done the wrong thing. I got there though. Do I die if I go off the top? I don't know. I wasn't sure if that was going to kill me or not. Okay. I've got two really awkward ones to get. Go to the right. Not down. Go to the right. No, I don't mean to the right. I mean to the left. Go to the left. No! Just no momentum when you step off. Just straight down. I'm really tense. Right, I'm going to change the keys. Redefine keys. So up, W, down, S, left, A, right, D, and jump, space. Why not? Start game. Right, let's see if this is any easier. Just me. Okay, no lifts. Relax, no lifts. Just check the jump going on here. I mean, that instantly feels more natural. More accustomed to it. Don't come this way. No, you little. Yeah. Get the high ones first, you lemon. And yeah, look at that. Level 2. Go right first of all, because he came down the ladder straight away. Let's try and get this one. Oh my word, the panic. Go. No, don't go. I think the strategy of getting the high ones first. Let's get this. So if you're going to go up the ladder, you need to kind of hold up as you run into the ladder. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, we'll do this, Oh! Please, 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 come on. Why? Just why? Why? I might have to go to counselling. Let's get these high ones. Oh, come on. So I can't jump and move sideways. It doesn't work. I have to move sideways and then jump. Do I just fall? Oh, I can press down to, like, fall a bit quicker, I think? Or is that just me? Alright, here's a regular one. Sideways and jump. Someone doesn't jump. Person jumping down. No, I don't know. Maybe I'm making that up. Why? Why are you being... Ooh, get that quick, get that quick. Oh, what do I have to do? One of these stupid things? It's also a long tune. Feels long. Okay. Here it comes. Coming up. To get those somehow. How do I get those? Get down and have it. Oh god. Oh, can I just... No! No! No. Oh. It's in my sights. Oh, last life. Can I just make it across in one leap? Me. Ah. Level 4. Right, we got here before, didn't we? Idiot. Okay. Give us 10 more minutes. Oh, pain. I got what? Somehow I'm still here. Why am I still here? Oh. Right. Did I play this? Yes, I did. Did I play it for long? I probably did. Did I get much further than this? Probably not. This is not my thing. Leaping off round platforms. Yeah, no. No. Foolish. Which way you going? Oh, where are you going? Oh, no. No. Up, run away. Get the high ones first. Wow, there's a jump. Oh, yes. Pro level. Oh, I didn't get the thing. Amateur. It's my seed, bird. Okay, I don't want to risk falling out the bottom of the level, so I'm going to go up here. That's mine, mate. That's mine. Oh. Look at this. Pro level Chuckie Egg. That did the same thing again. Forgot the last bird seed. Okay, we're doing it. Okay. Stuff those. Let's just sort this lift out. Oh! That was so late. No, where are you going? Make your mind up. Fall off, don't fall off. Okay, we can do this. Yeah, pro. Oh, yeah, I can jump off sideways there. I jump onto a ladder. Not the time to test the question as to whether or not I can jump onto a ladder. Ah. Yes, yes. Oh, come on, come on. Yes! The Nemesis. Level 4, okay. Where am I? Over there. Hiding behind the ladder. Let's get that one way up. Yes. Please go right. It's a risk. It's hell of a risk. No, I panicked. Why are those lifts wider? I love a Pete. Right. There's a little hop, extra little hop. He hopped off. No, too late. It's all just psychological. This is. You do come down there. Right, you're right. No. I don't want to do that. Oh. Duck disappeared. The duck in the cage, the chicken in the cage, whatever it is. I didn't die. I can fall off here, can't I? Yes! Level 4! Right. Up to level 5. Oh, more lifts. What? Oh, I have to jump across that ladder. Why? I don't know. Okay. Oh. Jump. Ah! Do this quick enough. This is actually quite tiring to do with just one hand. Maybe the two-handed approach has its perks. But then I am old. How old am I? 50! 50-year-old gamer plays Chuckie Egg. What? No, no, no! Oh. That looked really simple. That looks so straightforward. But actually, that is fiendish. No! Help! Up, up, up. Okay, thank you, thank you. Can't step off. Oh no, the stupid bottom part again. Right, okay, okay. Yes. Yes. No! Oh, how? How? Thank you, Game Lords. Okay, okay. Okay. Breathe, breathe. They're like swarming me. It feels like they're just. What if you go upstairs? Okay, we're going for it. Yes. Level 6. Level 6. Oh my god. That ladder to the left of me. What do I do with this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello? Oh. Okay, okay. Go up that big ladder, birdie. All the way up to the top. All the way up, all the way up. Running away! Oh, come on. Come on now. No, up, up. No, no. Oh my god, that was lucky. Oh, you absolute turd pocket. 3, 4. How on earth am I supposed to get that one last, I imagine? Oh, you no, no, no! Oh, oh. What? How the hell am I supposed to get out of that? One, 2, 3, 4. Time ran out. Time ran out. Time. Oh. Okay. Progress. DIPT. Well, I'm going to stop my 30-minute limit for this video. Let me know if you want me to keep trying. Can you bear to watch me faff about and keep fluffing this up? Wow, I am so stressed. That is a stressful game. Just when you're inept like me. Yeah, it's unforgiving that. I mean, it's easy just to fluff the timing up when you're jumping, at one fraction of a second too late or too soon, or not at all. If my brain doesn't work, then yeah, and this is why I hate jumping around platform games. I just don't enjoy it. I find the whole thing very stressful. It is anxiety inducing. It's this so much frustration about it. I don't want the frustration. I want it to be challenging. I like to feel like I've made the wrong decision. I say I like. If I've made the wrong decision, that's on me. If I'm just inept because I can't push the button at the right time, or I have a physical finger spasm and I panic and I push a button at the wrong time, and then I lose my last life and I have to do it all over again. Oh, there's nothing I can do to get out of that situation. Like a long-term strategy game, it's like, oh, I've lost that battle, or oh no, my hero doesn't have the right weapon. I can't beat this bad guy. This I can go off and I can try and come up with some solution to that. I enjoy that. I enjoy the solving of puzzles, the thinking about having to solve things. But manual dexterity, it's just always been a problem for me. Anyway, I've enjoyed revisiting this. I I don't think there's many levels. I think there's something like 10, and I think it loops round. But maybe you get more ostriches or emus or whatever they are, or they move faster the second time round. It's been 40 years since I've played this, so I can't quite remember. And I'm not even sure if I managed to get all the way round to finish all the 10 levels. If it is 10, maybe it's 12, maybe, I don't know. I can't remember. 10 is an odd number in 8-bit computing, so it's probably 8 or 16 or 15, maybe 15, or 8. I don't know. 8 sounds right. No, I'll say 8. So it initially it felt easier with the WASD keys. It really did. It was like, now I can move around. And I think, that first level or two, I was nipping about. It felt really good. However, with just the one hand, especially doing the jump with that same hand, I could have used my other hand for jumping, of course. Maybe I should have done that. It's probably just my age. But yeah, I thought just after a few levels, what, 10, 15 minutes of doing that, it's quite tiring on the old fingers doing everything with just the one hand. Although, I have played other things like Minecraft for ages and stuff like that, and not really noticed it. So maybe that's nothing. Maybe it was just the historic panic in the back corners of my brain that were coming out, and just the tension maybe in my hand. Oh, actually, I do want to kind of have another go. But let me know. Let me know if you want to watch me try and beat this thing. I don't suppose this will remember my high score. So I'm using Fuse, which is a free Spectrum emulator. I wonder if it can save my scores. Just having a quick look. So the game's paused because I pulled up a menu, which is not showing on the screen capture. Save. I've hit a save button. No idea what that does. Let's try and reload it and see if it saves. It will load in my open options. I did whilst I saved. I don't know how to reload. So the scores won't save. I mean, that's the Spectrum for you anyway. You didn't really save anything to anything. No sense of permanence for most things, except in there was a couple of games where you put in a code. It somehow saved your information when you typed in a code. I think Ghostbusters did that. I think it was Ghostbusters. You could earn money and get equipment and stuff, and somehow it saved it. Well, I don't. Well, it didn't save it. Somehow it gave you a Or maybe there's some of the, like, maybe the bit of the code was how much money you had, and then some of the code was what kit you had or something. Not sure. I've really enjoyed this. I am actually looking forward to playing some more Spectrum games and Amiga games. I'm very much looking forward to Amiga games. That has a real soft spot for me. Then we'll do some early PC games. Oh yeah, so thanks for watching. Give me a little like if on this video if you want me to keep playing and try and beat Chuckie Egg however many levels there are. Well, it might go round and round forever, but let's try and play some more of these games, and we will see how much I can remember from my deep, deep past. Oh, no, 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 no! I fell through the lift!